In this video, let's walk through the process for registering on our partner panel. On the homepage, you'll notice two options: Login and Registration. Since we're registering, we'll need to select that option. Click on the Registration button. This will take us to a form where we need to provide some information such as our first name, last name, email, country, and city. All of these fields are required. First, we'll need to upload a photo. Click on the Upload button, select your photo, and then click Apply. We've successfully added a photo to our partner profile. Next, we need to provide a partner name. Enter your name here. For the purposes of this demonstration, we'll use a placeholder name. Following this, we'll provide an email address. This will be required for logging in. Then, we'll create a password for account security. Next, we'll need to select our country. For instance, select United States if your business is based there. Following this, choose the city of business operation. In this case, we'll select California. Once a country is selected, the phone code is automatically generated. After this, provide your contact details, such as phone number. The next step is to input your address. We've now successfully added our address. Subsequently, enter your company name as the partner name. As an example, let's use SMEECS. The final requirement is to upload ID proof for security purposes. Once all these details are filled in, click on the Registration button. We're now successfully registered and logged in as a partner. As a partner, you serve as a valuable intermediary when there's a surplus of vehicles but a shortage of drivers. You can provide vehicles to these drivers and work with them as a partner. This is essentially the functionality and purpose of the partner panel. That's all there is to it. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide makes the partner panel clear and useful for you.